All right, all the spots you see here on the back of this rug, these are all spots from urine. Now we're gonna wash this rug, but we got our customer's approval. This rug failed the bleeding test. So we're gonna try to get the back disinfected first. We're gonna put down our pet treatment, just try to kill the odor, kill the bacteria. I'm not really worried about the staining on the back. We're gonna try to clean the front very quickly and then get it dry. See how it goes. Just scrubbing the pet treatment to the back of the Tufted rug. It's absolutely exhilarating. Now, that is not all urine coming out of the rug. This is a Tufted rug, so in between the front of the rug and this canvas on the back is a layer of latex. And all these urine spots, that latex is starting to come undone. Who's somebody? I don't know. All right, so we're gonna use the claw now on the back of the rug, try to dry the entire rug, mostly through the back of the rug, and I will show you the after pictures next.